Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna swap the power supply. Okay, how we're gonna upgrade the power supply from one PC to another. Alright, and I'll be using a 1200 watts, a set of screwdriver, alright, and some air duster. So let's begin to unwrap this. First, I'm gonna dismantle this, although we don't need to, but we don't need to really work right here. All we gotta do is to work from at the back, okay, back of the case. But since there are some residue, some dust, I'm gonna have to take the lid off and then use that air duster to clean it off. And then just apply a little pressure. The glass lid should come out. Okay, and I'm gonna work as for these as well, right here. All right, so I'm gonna clean it off. All right, so I'm charging that device, that air duster. So I'm gonna clean it off later. I'm gonna clean the dust later. All right, so what you need to do is to flip this side. All right, so this comes out right there nicely. Now I'm gonna remove these and yeah. All right, let's go. All right, so it's this. Okay, so pull the power supply out. All right, so as you see, this is a rose wheel, 1000 watt, 80 plus gold. All right, now I'm gonna disconnect. Oh my god, look at that right here. Okay, so we're gonna disconnect each of those cables. All right, so how we gonna disconnect that? All you need to do is, you see this right here, so just press it and yeah, remove like that. Okay, another one here. All right, so this little thing presses, so just press it in and then pull. Okay, it will come out. All right, boom. See, it was easy. All right, so you might have to fight it off sometimes, but try not to break it. Okay, now for the motherboard, there are two of them, one here and here, so you use both of your your thumbs. Push on both and then lift up. Okay, if it's not coming out, try to remove this one first and then this, because both of them was daisy chain. Alright, so as I said, so you have to like fight it off, but it will eventually comes out. Okay, here's the power supply, the 1000 watts. So this one will go into the RX 70X, RX 7900 XTX. Okay, the Sapphire Nitro Plus. Alright, so in here I'm gonna replace it with a 1200 watt. This one has a Core i9 13 Gen 13900K. Alright, so now we're gonna unbox the 1200 watts. And alright. There's her bag right here. Let's have a look what's in the bag. Alright, so this is all the cables are white. So if I can I could daisy chain them, but since this is a white build, so I'm gonna remove all these cables, the motherboard cable, and I'm gonna replace them with a white. Okay, this one will go into your motherboard, and the one which is not attached, you're gonna plug it into the power supply. All right, this is RTX 3 Zalman. Yeah. Yeah, it does have the 12V power cable. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm taking the CPU cable, untwist this, and then I'm adding it right there. Okay, then I'm gonna route it through this port, or maybe here. Okay, alright, here's a 12V 600 watt cable for RTX 40 series, and it's white. Okay, alright, so it will plug, of course, into one of the 12V port right here, and then it will get connected right here. First, let's do the motherboard 24 pin connectors. Alright, you see right here, this. Alright, so once it gets settled, all you have is to push it down. Now I'm gonna connect the 12V pin cable. Alright, don't push it too hard. So what I really like about this power supply, guys, you don't need extra cables. Okay, so you'll use only the cable that you'll need. Okay, so we want the fan to blow here. Okay, not inside, not to push air through the motherboard. Now all we gotta do is connect the NVIDIA 600 watt cable. Yeah, and that's it. It's ready to go, ready to roll. Before I tuck all the cable in and I close the back cover, I would like to test it. I would like to test if it works or not. Alright guys, so it's this is the power right there. Now I'm gonna turn this on. Let's see if it will. Yeah, it does. It will work, guys. Yeah, you see, the fan is spinning right there. Here's a NVIDIA 600 watt cable. Okay, so alright, so I turn it off. Okay, now I also remove the power. I pull the power cord. Now let's put this in. here we go, guys. All 4 points, like here, 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 here. Nice and tight. Okay, not that tight, but yeah, you get it. All right. Okay, now I'm just gonna have to tuck all these cables in and close it. So make sure, guys, after you close the lid, okay, make sure that the fan is right here. So let's say if you have a front fractal design case like this, so this all the hot air from the PSU, it will push them out.